to our how to sign up and become a Pro-Cabby Driver video. In this video, we will walk you through how to sign up, get a call through our application, set up your banking info, and close it and come back in. This will be the first of a few tutorial videos on how to use our mobile app. This is a mock account and the entries will not be valid, but we just want to demonstrate the how-tos in live mode today. To start off, you'll need to download the application by searching for Procabby Driver from the Play Store or iTunes. Once you've done that, you're going to go ahead and create a new account by entering in all of the required information. You'll need to enter in your first and your last names, your email address, create a password, and select the country and city that you're living in. Enter in your phone number, your mailing address, and be sure to enter in the state or province that you're in accordingly, along with your postal code. It is properly so that the banking info can be set up. The bank account can be set up. You will also need to enter in your car model and your taxi registration number, which is the easily identifiable number on your car. Now, once you've done all of that, you will need to review the terms and conditions. These are the terms and conditions here. And if you agree, you will just check the box at the bottom and click register. Great, so now you will need to submit and upload your 4 required documents to be accepted and approved on the Pro-Cabby platform as a driver. You will need to upload a picture of your taxi car or limo car. And again, these are just mock pictures we'll be using for the purpose of the demonstration. Along with a picture of your taxi or limo car, you'll need to upload your taxi or limo license, your driver's license picture, along with a picture of yourself. It's important that for the taxi license, you enter in the correct expiry date, and for the driver's license, you will do the same. You will also need to upload a picture of yourself, which will be used for identification purposes, and these pictures will be used by the administrator only and will not be viewed by the public. So as you can see here, you can choose all of these photos from either your camera or your gallery. And your driver picture here. Now, once all of your information here has been submitted and you've uploaded all 4, then you will click at the bottom and you will receive a notification that an admin has received your submissions. So if all looks well with the submissions, then the administrator will approve your account and you will be able to go live. So just bear with us here. It just takes a few moments for the account to be approved. And again, these accounts we're using for this demo will be disabled afterwards as they're mock accounts. We're just going through the process the same way you will need to do when you get approved. And voila, as you can see, the administrator has now approved the account. At this time, you'll then need to enter in your banking information and a profile photo that the public will be able to see. The submit button on this page is a check mark you will click once you are done. You have to upload here your ID proof, which is how you will get your banking information approved. This is like having an online bank account, which connects to your bank account directly. Please note that if you're using your driver's license for ID proof, you'll need to upload both the front and the back of the license. You will then also enter in your account holder name, your bank account number, and your routing number. The routing number is going to be a combination of your transit number, which is 5 to 7 digits in length, along with your branch number, which will be 3 digits. Now, as for the account holder type, we accept 2, individual or company. If you have a sole proprietor registered, you will enter in your company information. Your personal ID in this case is the last 4 digits of your SIN number. It is crucial to enter this in correctly in order for you to get paid. You'll need to enter in your birth date and choose that accordingly. And once that's all entered in correctly and you're ready to submit, simply click the check mark in the top right corner. Now, in order to change your profile picture, you will then click the crayon . At this time, you will need to verify your account by entering in your password. We are just going to take a quick pause while we enter in the banking information, and we will resume shortly. So as you can now see, my banking details have been approved. And if I want to change my profile picture at this time, I can click on the crayon in the top right corner, and I can edit the photo and choose a photograph from either the camera or the gallery once again. You can crop it down to what you'd like, and when you're ready to go, press done and the check mark. You will be prompted to enter in your password once again, and once you do so, you will select yes. Now we're going to demonstrate how to take a call. And so the driver will go online, and as you can see, we have a user account open on the right hand side of the screen to demonstrate how to do this. So the user will select get a ride, and we will ride now. And as you can see, a call is starting to come in from the user to the driver, and you will click once to either accept or reject it. Now, once you're ready, you will click once down here when you're ready to start. And once you arrive at the user's location, you will click once that you've arrived. User will be notified that you've arrived and ready for pickup. And when you're ready and the user's in the vehicle, you will select Start Trip. Now this is for the purpose of this mock demo. The car will not be moving, but in your case it will. This is just for the purpose of this video today. So once you arrive at the user's end location, you will tap End Trip. In this case, you'll tap and trip twice, and in this case, you will select 0 tolls. And if you have tolls, this is where you will enter them in and click. Now the user will be prompted if they want to leave you a tip, and they will be able to do so here. Select, and then they will apply that. Great. Now you will need to submit at the end that this is now complete. And at the end of this ferry, you now have the opportunity to rate the passenger from 1 through 5 stars. If you didn't like them and you give them a 1 because they were inappropriate, disrespectful, and so on, you can give them the 1 star and you will never be called by them again. Alternatively, if you thought that they were a great passenger and you would love to see them again, you can rate them at 5 stars and click submit. And that's it. And you will be able to take another call if you'd like. As you can see, the user is also prompted with the 1 through 5 star rating here as well. And the same premise will apply. If they select 1 star, they will never have to see that driver again. And alternatively, if they select 5 stars, they can be added. You can be added as one of their favorite drivers. So you would be added with a 5 star to their favorites list, and you will then come up first if you are online and they call for a ride again. So that is now it. This now concludes our intro to the Pro-Cabby Driver setup account. Hope that it helped to answer any of your questions. If you have any further questions, you can contact us directly by email or phone under the support tab in the application. We look forward to working together. Thank you so much for tuning in, and we hope that you will enjoy our app. Have a wonderful day.